We just checked into Sorrento. Fireworks. And you just fucking well, we just made it into Sorrento. This is the amazing view from our window. It's actually beautiful. You can see Mount Vesuvius there. We have just arrived in Sorrento, which is stop 1 of 2 on this little trip. We're doing Sorrento and then we're going to Positano, which is on the Amalfi Coast. We're just going to go for a wee wander, donder, see what there's to see. You open the door. Beautiful dinner in Sorrento. We just went out for dinner and had some drinks and sat and drank literally for like hours with this little couple in an Irish bar here, and then we just got ice cream. I got a Kinder Bueno egg one, and what did you do?
I got pistachio and Kinder Bueno.
Yummy. And now we're just headed back to the room. Good morning. Me and Morven are just gonna go and grab some coffee and then decide what we're gonna do today. Probably just explore Santorini. Nope. Literally every single person that we have told that we're coming to Sorrento has called it everything but. So I've had Solero, Santorini, San Francisco, and Salerno, and that's just not where we are. We don't really have anything planned, but this is where we've wandered to. We just went and got some freshly squeezed juices. I got a wee orange juice and Morven got a lemon. This little man right here just almost fell into my cup. Walked under this tree and look, then he went beside me. Oh, cute. Okay, bye. Okay, bye. We've just come to the beach and we're gonna go swimming. Yeah.
Do a wee shot of you just going along there. Yep, swim that way. Give a wave. She's just so happy. Such a good wee swimmer, my wee Alex is. Yep, look at her go. Just bobbing along. Alright. Taught her that move myself.
So after a day of wandering Sorrento and then we went swimming, we're all dressed up now to go out for a wee drink, and we're gonna go have dinner at a really nice little restaurant that I saw on Instagram. Hi vlog. We've just had a wee drink. I had a wee berries gin. Morven here had a pint of Heineken, and we're just waiting for 7 o'clock for the restaurant to open that we're wanting to go to. Yeah, we're just wondering about a wee museum thing. The food here is so good. I've got aubergine parmigiana and happy food dance all over the place. Look at my background. This restaurant is beautiful.
Hello.
That's us all done. Went for a wee drink afterwards. I couldn't finish my dinner. But yeah, we're just back at the hotel now. On to the next. If this isn't proof of why you shouldn't bring a case to Positano, I don't know what is. Just please don't do it. But anyways, we've just arrived and this is our little room tour. I've never been in a place more beautiful than this little room. The tiles are gorgeous and we have the most amazing balcony. We're gonna go for a wee swim on the main beach in Positano. Now we're way out for dinner. Hi, this is our dinner. I got aubergine parmigiana and Morven got lasagna. dinner with a view. I'm gonna do a first bite review. If you've never had aubergine parmesan, it's really good. And just as I said, really yummy. The best. Wow! Mental view at night. Positano is bloody beautiful. So the lovely B&B that we stay in makes us breakfast every morning with this as a view. And it's maybe the most amazing thing ever. Like, wow. Actually, bucket list worthy. We just had a really yummy breakfast on our balcony and now we're gonna go and explore. We just hiked up some stairs and now we're taking a little sit down in the shade and admiring the view, which I'm going to show you. Oh, would you look at that? How beautiful is that? This is where we're going to go for a wee bite at lunch. Lay in bed realising that I didn't vlog like any of tonight because all I could think about was how tired I am. Today I've actually given myself a sore head, but we went out for dinner. We were gonna go for a few drinks afterwards, but I just genuinely can't even keep myself awake. Of course it was the night that the nightlife looked absolutely amazing, like somebody's getting married, our next door neighbours are singing Beyonce, and like all the bars are like full, so I'm hoping flying tomorrow I'll be able to catch up on my sleep. Genuinely, Positano, where is the need for the amount of stairs you have? I don't think I've ever climbed more stairs in my life. I feel like I've been to the gym. Beautiful views, beautiful place. No need for all the stairs. Good morning, everyone. We're having a lovely little breakfast on the balcony. I've got some scrambled eggs. You can't even see me. But she makes them like perfectly. This is the best breakfast I've ever had in my life. Excuse my half-eaten croissant. One thing I've noticed about here is every single place you go and eat has their own like personalised little plates. That's so cute. So even these ones are all personalised as well. And the little cups. So this is where we're staying. Today we have a little boat tour for the sunset later on. So we're just going to chill by the beach and then go back and get ready to go on a sunset boat tour. We're waiting to go on our boat tour. I think this is the boat we're about to get on. I'm so excited. I love being a little boat babe. Wow! I can't believe that we are here right now. This is the coolest thing I've maybe ever done in my life. I can't resist. And that's a wrap on our trip. We have just got our bags all ready to go and we're about to check out for one last day in Positano, and then we're gonna get the ferry back to Naples. And yeah, we made so many friends last night, so I'm hoping we see some of them today. I didn't really film any of that, but we went for a few drinks and made friends with a bunch of Americans and this couple from Ireland, and it was so much fun. But yeah,